In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make audio public in Roblox in 2022. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is to be using the desktop version of Roblox. So open up your preferred web browser on your computer and go to www.roblox.com. Sign into your account where you want to make the audio public and click on the Create tab on the top of the page next to Robux and next to the Avatar Shop. You will be redirected to the Developer page where you may now select audio from this left-sided menu. As you can see, we have to choose an MP3 or OGG file. You need to follow these requirements when uploading a custom audio file. To do this, just go back to the Audio tab and within Create an Audio, choose a file to upload. After you upload any file you want, just name it and click the Upload button, and as you can see, it's going to pop up under the Audio tab over here. Just click the Settings icon and click Configure. In here, you can set the description, set the genre, and you can also share this with everyone. Sadly, audio files cannot be made public at this exact time, so just wait and then this option will be available over time. This is how you make an audio public in Roblox. I hope I was able to help you on how to make audio public in Roblox in 2022. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.